Joining me today is Tom Hodson, Product Manager of our fastener line here at Senco. We're going to be talking about the Fusion F15 today. Tom, why don't you tell us a little bit about the applications and fasteners involved with this tool?
Well, yeah, the 15 gauge nailer usually is used for windows and doors or anything that kind of moves on trim. Also, if it doesn't have a lot of millwork behind the trim work, in other words, there's no edges, you don't have to worry about ruining edge at all. The nail itself is a 15 gauge 34-degree nail, and it's a Mylar tape. And one of the reasons we do a Mylar tape is we have a very low shear value on it. So what does shear value do for you? One, it's easier on the tools. Because when you're driving that tool, if the driver blade comes on, as you explained before, and it picks off a nail. So the energy you have to use to pick off the nail has to be very low. And when you have a very low shear value, it's easier on the tool. So you don't have any problems with your driver blade and the tool itself. Okay. Secondly, as we get into some engineered lumber, it's getting more prevalent in the trades, especially in trim work, that wood is a little denser. Okay. So the energy you have to use to pick the nail off has to have enough energy to pick the nail off and drive into the application, and that's those shear values there. What we also do is we have a Senco on it. It's a proprietary water-based solvent. And what this does, it heats up as it goes into the application. So again, with the nailer, you have to make sure you have enough velocity, which this does, and enough power to do it. So as that heats up, this coating kind of liquefies, and that helps lubricate the drive into the piece of wood. So you have a more consistent drive. So why don't we show it shooting through one of our applications?
Sure.
I'll let you do it since you're the tool guy.
Okay. I'm going to load up a rack of fasteners here. Simply slide them in the back of the magazine, pull the feeder shoe down until it fully engages. I'm going to be operating in sequential mode for this demonstration. And we've got a piece of casing here. You might find this where like a door casing, a window casing, something like that. So to fire, simply depress and pull the trigger.
Wow.
And again, if you're too low, too high, you can adjust with the depth of drive adjustment here.
And it can go pretty quickly too, doesn't it?
Exactly. I mean, you're going as fast as you can pull the trigger, so you're not compromising on anything.
Now what happens if it jams?
Good question. The 15 gauge has a removable magazine feature on it. On the back side of the tool, there's a latch. Simply release that, magazine comes completely off, so you can either get into the magazine track or into the drive track to find your problem and fix it. And it's just as easy to put the magazine back on. There you go.
Oh, it's a great tool and a great application.
Yeah, I think anybody would be pleased to have this in their assortment of tools.
And what's funny is that Senco came out with the first 15 gauge nailer in 1968. So it only took us, what, 30 years?
30 years.
That's where we're at.
Yeah.
But we've been doing it for a while. The DA nails are made here in Cincinnati, Ohio, right here at the plant. And we work hard to provide a precision fastener and a tool that works every time.
Absolutely, couldn't agree more. And this tool and fasteners, as Tom illustrated, it will be perfect for any contractor or even DIYer that wants to tackle any project.